Hello friends, day 37 and the first full day of the Penine Way. Penine Way has been interesting because the surface is not that easy to walk on. There's quite a lot of loose stone and then quite a lot of boulders and rocks to walk between. You'll see when you have a look at the clips in a minute. But it's been a reasonable day, and after a very chilly start the weather's warmed up nicely and I've ended up at Black Hill. Guess what I found? A room with a view! Looking out over Huddersfield, and the tallest freestanding structure in the UK. There it is, it's the Emley Moor transmitting station, and it's the 25th tallest freestanding structure in the world. See you on the trail. I thought I'd show you what I eat when I'm not eating ice cream. So this is my trail mix, all sorts of nuts and dried fruit, and then I have a block of cheese. I have lunch for today, pasta salad, and lunch for tomorrow, hummus, both eaten with carrots and sometimes with Ryvita. And then I've got a banana loaf and also a malt loaf. They're really good for energy. There's my peanut butter that goes on the Ryvita, and then also I have some carrots, so they go with the hummus and the pasta, and then several energy bars.